Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the USB-C port in your Xiaomi Mi A1. This is the model MDG2. You can easily change the other part like battery, mainboard, camera or others with this video. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to unscrew this little screw here on the down. Now remove the SIM card holder. Okay, and we're gonna be open this this phone by plastic tool like this. This is the hardest part of our job here. Okay, and we are in. We can remove the back cover, and as you see, we can easily change many of the parts of the phone. For example, there is a mainboard, camera, battery, as you see, the speaker from MP3, and the USB-C port here. We can easily change it, so we do this right now. The screws are different, so be careful. Okay, we are lifting up the speaker, and now we need to only disassemble these elements. There is one here, one screw over here. And there should a little glue. As I supposed, there is a glue. Okay, these little elements. Let's install the new element. From this side, like this, to this side, over there. Okay, now I'm gonna test it. Unplug the USB-C cable, and there is charging the phone. As you see, this little LED is blinking, so it's already been charged. But the LCD doesn't start. Never mind, but anyway, as you see, you can easily change this ports with yourself in your home if you like. And of course you can easily change many parts of here, as I show you, like battery or other parts. This is the antenna connector. So we're gonna stick it right here. Okay, the LCD is blinking, so phone is working and properly charged. So now we're gonna be screw over here and few screws here. Okay. That's it. Let's assemble the back cover from the up to the down. That's it. You should hear the special characteristic sound by clicking it. And now screw this in the down of the port. So it's one and second screws at the end. Whoops. Okay, the screw is in. This is a very small screws, like in an Apple. Same it is. Okay, now the SIM card holder place on it. I'm gonna be charged my phone now with the brand new USB-C port. I hope you too. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.